Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. The Jacobi method is an iterative numerical technique used to solve a system of linear equations. It's particularly useful for solving large systems where direct methods like Gaussian elimination may be computationally expensive. In this tutorial, we'll implement the Jacobi method in Python and provide a step-by-step explanation. The Jacobi method solves a system of linear equations x equals b by iteratively updating an initial guess for x until it converges to the actual solution. The algorithm involves decomposing the matrix A into a diagonal component D and off-diagonal component R, where A equals D plus R. The iteration step is given by the formula x k plus 1 laughing face 1 brx k, where x k is the current approximation of the solution. Let's implement the Jacobi method in Python.